everyone, my name is Jen and this is Romel and we are Surprises and Gift Delivery.
Hello guys, good afternoon everyone. We are bound to Tadoka, Abuyog, Leyte para i-surprise po si Mama Rovilin for her 18th birthday. So ayun guys, galing nga po pala ito kay Mama Noella, all the way from Australia, and thank you Mom for choosing surprise and gift delivery for being a part of your sister's 18th birthday surprise. So ayun, maraming salamat po sa mga followers natin dyan, at sana po ay abangan nyo ang mga video na ilalabas namin, at sana po ay mapasaya natin ang celebrant sa hatid nating sorpresa para sa kanya. Ito nga po pala yung closure ng package natin for today's video. Ito nga po pala ay money bouquet worth 10,000 pesos na halo sa semi-moon size, and 2 pieces cakes, 1 layer and single layer with cupcakes, and meron po tayong bouquet na fruit, desserts, and chickens, and free balloons. So ayun guys, sana po masurprise natin ating celebrant sa ating sorpresa para sa kanya. So ayun guys, maraming salamat. God bless everyone. Keep safe and peace out.
Ayan, thank you so much and don't forget to follow our page, Surprises and Gift Delivery. Thank you so much. Bye!